Hi guys. Well, it's been a while and I decided to make a little video today to showcase a new addition to my collection. And some of you who have been long members of the channel will remember in my model scale construction hobby collection I have a bobcat made by the company LXY, scale 1 to 14, 1 to 16 roughly. And I've never really was perfectly satisfied with my bobcat because I felt it was too grippy and it hopped around a lot. But even though people said that's how a real bobcat reacts, however, I always thought of getting a tracked skidsteer, and that's what I've just gotten. And this model is a tracked skidsteer made by the same company, LXY. Now, don't be fooled about the false rust and patina. It's all just effects. This was a completely unpainted model when I bought it, perfectly raw metal. And I had a friend of mine, Bernard, some of you know his channel. I'd add a link to his channel below this video. I asked Bernard to just go to town on it and make it to look as old and beat up as possible. Now, Bernard is an expert in patina and weathering, so what he did was actually quite impressive. As I can show you, he has real rust particles he puts on it and somehow glues it on, and he put the yellow base that's dirty in some areas and kind of worn out in the correct places, and that's exactly what I got Bernard to do. I mean, you can look at it's textured. You can see his work. It's just wonderful. Bernard, if you watch this video, thanks a lot, mate. And after Bernard weathered and patinaed the model for me, I now had to do, because it was a used model, I had to do a little bit of service on it. The hydraulic cylinders were serviced and changed, and then I put a new radio, and that was it. It's a model I'm actually very happy to have in my collection. As you can see, it has the lift, the arms, the tip, front and back, and it moves actually quite smoother, as I will show you very soon. There we have, oh, the radio is complaining of inactivity. I 3D printed a little bit of effects in there together with the man, and it's now you can see the raw metal, how it looked, the whole model now, instead of dismantling and painting. I did the weathering effect, and that's the hydraulic tank there, and the valves for the hydraulics. Beautiful model. So stay tuned to the channel, and you'll see me having some fun with it out and about, doing a little bit of work and pushing some dirt. And now currently I only have the bucket for it, but yeah, you can get a claw, some kind of a log a claw. You can also get a forklift attachment, and you can get a dozing attachment that can be with the accessories to be attached there. I may just put a rotating work lamp on it. I don't know. I don't want it to look too new. I want it to look like some old barn find, you know, just the way we usually see them out out in the provinces. Anyway, the detail on this model is fantastic. The steps, the grips on the steps, just beautiful. Anyway, beginning to ramble. Well, I just wanted to share it with you guys, and stay tuned. Remember to subscribe, thumbs up the video, and you definitely see more videos of this in the future. Have a nice day. Bye.